1001, 1002, 1003. Gotta look jacked for the thumbnail. Yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Auto Hedge. Thanks for checking out today's video. Today we're doing an install and review of the TYGER trifold tonneau cover for the 2021 F-150. I'm trying to make some new content for the newer F-150 owners out there. I've had this exact same tonneau cover on my 2016 F-150 for about 2 years now. It has gone through the snow, the sleet, the rain, salt, and it looks almost as good as it did when it just came out of the box. It's a really, really tough, good brand. Unbelievable reviews on Amazon, and I'll put a link to the description if you guys want to purchase this after you check out this video. But I'm just going to go step by step. I'm going to show you guys how to install this, and stay tuned to the end. I have a really awesome product that works perfect on these tonneau covers. It's going to keep it looking really new even after a couple years of use. All right, let's get to the install. All right, let's unbox this real quick. Alright, so it comes with some weatherproofing, which is really important. Don't skip this part. I'll show you exactly how to do this. This is going to ensure that no water leaks down into the bed of your truck. And then it has this nice little TYGER storage bag. Not that you're really going to need it, but if you ever have to take it off because you're going to move like a big load somewhere, it's nice to have like a little bag. Alright, so let's go over some of the features before I actually put it on. Hey guys, just did a quick little voiceover because the wind was killing me here, but they have a more rugged version of these snaps, and the new ones, the 2016 version, the snaps were a little more dainty than these. So these are really nice, good update here. And then if you look at the top, this is where this trifold really shines. There's tons of insulation, really soft rubber, but if you look around, there's just insulation everywhere. And when you open it up, you're going to see this is like the latch system. So this is how it actually clips down into the bed. The latch just swings open, and then you'll see, I'll go over this a little more in detail in a second here, but you'll see that little lever kind of just grabs onto the inside of the bed, and that's how it holds on to the bed cover. Alright, so now I'm just going to show you the clips that are closer to the front of the vehicle. You get a nice aluminum block here, bites down onto the inside of the truck bed, and you have a secondary safety latch here. So altogether you got 6 points of contact, which is really nice, keeps you feeling confident that this isn't going anywhere. And this is really like where this product shines. The weatherproofing is above and beyond, especially for the price. They have had these really nice foam corners in every corner, nice and lined up, sealed off, like they went overboard with the weatherproofing, which is, you know, definitely what you want with a high quality tonneau cover. Alright, so this product comes with weather stripping. It's a really important part. It's going to ensure that you don't have any leaks into the bed of your truck. What I would recommend doing is getting a microfiber cloth, hitting it with some alcohol, and then you're going to clean off this whole portion of the bed. Once that's all cleaned off, you're going to use this weather stripping. It doesn't need to be exact. They give you a little more than you need. We're going to cut this to size, stick it on, and then you're going to get a nice waterproof seal. All right, same thing. You're gonna have this weather stripping is gonna run nice and parallel along the back edge of your truck, and they gave you this because you can notice there's like a little bit of a lip here. So this weatherproofing is gonna fill in that gap and make sure that no water spills from this end of the truck. Again, make sure this is nice and clean. That's gonna ensure that you're gonna get that nice adhesive to stick to the metal. So get this nice and wet with some alcohol and then scrub this down, make it nice and clean. All right, now let's put this last piece of sealant on the back end of the truck. I like to flip it over to get your measurement right. And then once you have it kind of eyeballed, you want it right to the edge. Put like a little cut for reference. And then you can kind of get a nice idea of where you want to cut. There you go. Okay, now that you made your cut, you're gonna stick this on the back end. Don't put it towards this end. From my experience, you get better coverage if you start and put it nice and flush against the back end. I'll show you what I mean. You want it right there. And then if you're looking straight down, you can kind of get a really good reference on how lined up you are. And I just like to hold on to this piece with my finger and then just slowly work your way back to the other side. Perfect. All right, so just to show you guys how quick and easy this install is, I'm gonna time myself, excluding the weatherproofing. This is gonna be the full install, one cut, no editing, just so you guys can see how easy the install is. Let's go. You're gonna have this clamp right here. It's gonna tuck underneath this. Your little safety latch here. On this side, safety latch nice and tight. Drop this down. Locked on that side. Drop this down. Locked in on that side. That's it. All right, so let me show you some of the features of this. Obviously it's a tri-fold, so it folds 3 times. It folds on itself. And if you see right here, tons and tons of weatherproofing, and it's all going in one direction, which is really nice. They went above and beyond to make sure this is nice and sealed off. And you go like this, and then you got these nice solid snaps. Snap it in. You can adjust it for tightness, and this will allow you to kind of move something in the bed of the truck, and gives you a little space. And you can also secure it down nice and tight. Closing it back up. You can see all that weatherproofing along the side here on the bottom. Really nice stitching. And then, depending on how snug you want it, you actually tighten it like this, so you can get a looser fit, a tighter fit, whatever you want. You typically want it to be nice and snug, so this is kind of loose right now. So we'll tighten this up. There you go. And if you come over here, you can see how nice and flush it is in that corner. Same thing on this side. So it's a little loose. Righty tighty. Boom. And if you can come around, you can see the quality. Look at all the stitching. It's nice and flush up against the bed of the truck, which is nice. In my opinion, there's nothing worse than a tonneau cover that's all like frayed and bent up. It just looks really nice on the truck. I think it actually enhances the look of the truck.
They can't hide from us anymore.
Yep. Take care, man. All right, ready? Alright, so if you notice, what I really like about this tonneau cover, it's just the fit and finish. It looks like it came on the truck. It's nice and sealed tight down to the bed. The stitching is super solid. Like I said before, I have a 2016 F-150. I've had this exact same tonneau cover on the truck for 2 years now, and it looks almost exactly the same as it did when I pulled it out of the box. It just looks great. Can't say enough about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick install, and I'll see you in the next video. If you liked it, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.